Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic for homeowners and enthusiasts: how to choose the right roof window. Roof windows not only bring natural light into your space, but also provide ventilation and stunning views. So, let's dive into the essential factors you should consider when selecting the perfect roof window for your home. Let's discuss the size of the roof window. The size of your window is crucial and will affect things like light levels, room temperature in the room it is being fitted, and possible ventilation levels. Bigger is not always better, and the right small roof window could bring you just as much constant light as a bigger window. The main limit for choosing a skylight is width. It cannot be greater than the width between the two rafters where we want to place the window. If we want a bigger window, we better think about several skylights in a row. Otherwise, we would have to rebuild our rafters. This could be unnecessarily expensive and complicated. The second thing to consider is the style of the roof window. There are different types available, including fixed, top-hung, pivot, many special types of roof windows, such as electrically operated windows or balcony skylight. Each has its own benefits and functionalities. Take into account the architecture of your home, the room's purpose, and your personal preferences to choose the right style. When it comes to materials, roof windows are commonly made of wood, PVC, or aluminum. Each material has its own advantages, such as durability, insulation properties, and maintenance requirements. A window made of PVC or aluminum is better for maintenance, while a window made of wood will look more natural. And the advantage is that you can paint the window in any shade you want, and it will still retain its beauty. Consider factors like weather conditions, energy efficiency, and the overall aesthetic appeal of your home to make the right material choice. Now, let's talk about important features to look for when choosing a roof window. First, consider the glazing options. Double or triple glazing provides better insulation and soundproofing. Additionally, look for windows with low emissivity coatings to improve energy efficiency. Speaking of energy efficiency, ventilation is a crucial aspect of a roof window. Look for windows that offer various ventilation options, such as manual or automatic opening mechanisms. These features will help you maintain a comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. Let's talk about accessories for skylights. The first important thing is the internal blinds. These will prevent unwanted light from entering the attic. The second very important accessory is the outdoor skylight awning. This will prevent heating of the skylight from the sun, especially in the warm months, and then it will not be so hot in the attic. Other accessories are, for example, an insect net or security systems to limit the opening of the window. Every solid manufacturer should offer these accessories for their windows. Before making the final decision, visualize how the roof window will look in your home. There are online tools and design apps available that allow you to upload pictures of your house and see how different window styles would fit. This can help you ensure that the chosen window complements your home's overall design and aesthetic. Finally, consider the warranty and after-sales service provided by the manufacturer. Roof windows are long-term investments, and it's important to choose a reputable brand that offers reliable customer support and warranty coverage. That wraps up our guide on how to choose the right roof window. We hope you found this information helpful in your decision-making process. Remember, a well-chosen roof window can transform your living space and bring the beauty of the outdoors inside your home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more attic improvement tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.